Welcome to the Video Conference Planner on ArchExperts. This feature allows experts on the platform to organize and host group video conferences with ease. You can invite registered experts, your clients from the platform, and even external participants via email. Starting at the top, you'll need to provide a topic for your meeting. This is a required field. If you want to add an extra layer of security, you can set a password for the meeting, although this is optional. Next, choose the start date and select your time zone from the drop-down menu to ensure everyone is on the same page. Then, set the duration of your meeting, specifying both hours and minutes. You can invite registered participants from ArchExperts by searching their names in the provided list. Additionally, if you have external participants, simply enter their email addresses in the box below, separating each address with a comma. There's also a message field where you can add any instructions, agendas, or details about the meeting. This is optional, but can be useful for setting expectations. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, hit the Save and Submit button to finalize your meeting. At the top right, you can view your current plan, which shows how many minutes you have left in your monthly subscription. This example shows 1,000 minutes remaining. If you've purchased additional minutes, they would also appear here, but in this case, no extra minutes are left. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Future Meetings and Past Meetings tabs. There you can review details of upcoming and previously held meetings. This comprehensive tool is perfect for coordinating efforts on client projects, collaborating with fellow experts, or conducting consultations with external clients, all within the ArchExperts platform.